A, B, C, D alphabet. Learn A for apple, B for ball. A, orange color, A for alligator. Green color, B for bear, B for bear, bear. Yellow color, C for cat, C for cat. Blue color, D for dog, D for dog, dog. Red color, E for elephant, E for elephant, elephant. Pink color, F for fish, F for fish. Orange color, G for gorilla, G for gorilla. H for horse, H for horse. Green color, I for iguana, I for iguana. Yellow color, J for jaguar, J for jaguar. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for quail, Q for quail, quail. R for rabbit, R for rabbit, rabbit. S for snake, S for snake, snake. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for unicorn, U for unicorn. V for vulture, V for vulture. W for wolf, W for wolf. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. And Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Okay, kid, bye.